So after a long day of driving, we made it to Calabogie Motorsports Park. Welcome back to the channel. Behind me is a Lamborghini grocery getter, the Urus. Jay's gonna take us for a ride in this thing and show you guys what it's all about. It's supposed to be unbelievable performance, but it is an SUV, so how good could it be? We're gonna see. I'm risking my life here for you. Can you just subscribe to the channel or share it with a friend? Thanks. Holy crap!
650 horsepower, the most powerful vehicle of everything we got here.
This is?
Yep.
So we're here at Calabogie Motorsports Park, and supercarexperiences.ca is having a track day. So they've got this track for the whole day. You can book laps, you can book yourself ride-alongs, you can go for a ride in a Chevy Express van for free, and you can also pay to go for rides in a Lamborghini Super SUV. And these things are no joke. So you're gonna see a Urus come around the corner soon, and watch how fast these cars accelerate. It's crazy. For a SUV, it's nuts. I don't know how loud they are. They're not very loud. You do downpipes and stuff like that, they'll be loud, but yeah, they're pretty cool cars. That is crazy. You can hear that GT3 RS just buzzing. I want to hear the Evo go by. Comes the 458 and the GT3 RS. Here's the exhaust. We just did this R8. He's gonna fire it up and I think go for a couple laps here. The sun is over here. So you can hear the valves close. When you're on the throttle, the valves open automatically with the computer. We just went for a ride and it's unbelievable how well this thing drives. It drives like a sports car, like a supercar. From the interior to the exterior to the brakes that are the size of a 20-inch wheel. We're gonna go for a ride and we'll see what this thing is all about. Right? Yeah, but not you, right? Nah. 650 horsepower, twin turbo V8. These are the same as like an Audi RS Q8. All right, so this here, the boss. Eh? Yeah. So this here is a Lamborghini Urus. I think it's like a 2019. I believe MSRP on these cars are around 350,000 Canadian. They have massive carbon ceramic brakes. Like for like comparison's sake, this is a 22-inch wheel. So this is like, I don't know what they are, 16 or 17-inch rotor. They're huge. And the caliper is like, that's my hand. I'm not gonna say a big man, but I'm a grown boy for sure. So they're huge. The brakes are huge. Everything's awesome about these things. And I noticed on the exhaust on these things, it says Akrapovic for Lamborghini, which is pretty cool. So I don't know if that's like a factory option or if they all have that, but these things are super, super sick. The layout and the seats are very similar to like how a Huracan is. They're all stitched up nice. And the cluster and the controls and all that are very similar to like a newer Huracan. They got the thing you flip up. They got all the different modes. They've got like 6 different modes there that you can choose from instead of like 3 with the Huracan. I'm a fake vlogger now, so.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
You're more of a real blogger than I am.
Yeah, that's it. I'm surprised you still have hair on your head, man. I can feel the tension today. It's a lot to organize. They got a bunch of cars here. Oh, it snugs you up, eh?
Green Huracan looking for pass. You're good.
Get to see what the track's like too, I guess. And this thing doesn't even squawk, eh? This thing's unbelievable. Holy cow, man. I mean, big part of this is driver too. Obviously, he's not just the couch potato. Man, that's... This thing drives like a sports car. This is crazy, eh?
Yeah.
Holy crap!
650 horsepower, the most powerful vehicle of everything we got here.
This is?
Yep.
No way.
Huracan 610 and 640 horse.
Wow. And this is what?
650.
Ah, 10 more. Probably weighs about 1,000 pounds more too, or more. But holy crap, man.
That's why they shoved 2 turbos right in the belly.
Wow. Well, thanks for that. Oh, it's too bad Meg didn't go for a ride. She would have liked that. She would have been screaming the whole time, but... So pretty soon we're gonna hear this car come by with one of our exhausts on it. And this is a 2022 R8 V10 Performance with the 3-inch valved stainless steel exhaust system. This is a direct bolt-on for all 2020 plus R8 V10s. What a letdown.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share with a friend, and we will catch you in the next video.